My Max Catch, I use these for mice. Okay, so I really like these because they actually have a scent already. What I do is I put peanut butter like right in the middle, and then they have these creases in them. And what I do is I pre-crease them like so before you take the stuff off, the cover. But then if you take the cover off, this is very sticky. Okay, they do have a scent. It's not terrible. Kind of actually smells like kind of like a weird peanut butter. And then you push this together, and then you can put these around. You can do them like this. I like to do it like this because then stuff doesn't, blow on top of it. But you can also just leave them flat. I put these in places where I don't want rodents. Okay, so I put these in my shed. And I have a couple sheds, so I put them in all my sheds, in my garage. Now, the first thing I do is I try to keep the rodents from getting in by, covering all the holes up and stuff like that. I don't just let them in and then kill them. But this is like a redundancy. Okay, so I like these. I put these all over the place. Put them in your attic. Put them in your shed. Just as a safety. You don't want them like eating your stuff and ruining it. So it's like I try to keep them out. Unfortunately, if they get in, I try to catch them with something like this. I recommend these to everybody. Put these everywhere. Keep away from kids, of course, but even if you don't think you have mice, put them around or rodents. And, if you do happen to leave a door open or they do happen to get in, you have them. I get the giant packs of them because they do last for a while, and it's cheaper if you get more. So it's kind of the box that comes in. All right, so there you go. Pick them up.